In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your Wix website. Whether you're making major changes or simply need peace of mind, having a backup and knowing how to restore it is crucial. Let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to ensure your website's content and design are safe and retrievable when needed. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. So, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once there, locate the Site menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is your main control area where you manage most of your website's settings and operations. Clicking on Site will reveal several options for managing your site. Next, you'll want to click on Site History. This opens up a record of all the changes and revisions made to your website. It's like your website's diary, documenting each update and providing a way back to any previous state. Once you've found the Site History, click on Go to Site History. This will take you directly to a page dedicated solely to your site's backups. Now, take a moment to focus on this page. Site History is essentially the backup vault of your website. Here you will see a detailed timeline of changes and versions that have been saved. It's important to regularly check this area so you're aware of the intervals at which your backups are being saved. When you're ready to restore a previous version, take a look at the list of available backups or histories. Choose the one you'd like to restore by clicking on the arrow or the right-pointing button next to the version you wish to retrieve. This will prompt a review of the previous state, giving you a glimpse of how your website looked at that moment in time. Happy with your choice? Fantastic. Now it's time to bring that version back to life. You'll see a Restore button. Click on Restore and you'll be prompted again with a confirmation. This ensures that you indeed want to roll back to the selected version, offering one last chance to review your choice before proceeding. Once you've clicked Restore the second time, the system will work its magic, restoring your website to that precious point in history. Pat yourself on the back, knowing that your site has been safely reverted. Remember, regularly backing up your site ensures that your hard work is never lost. It serves as a safety net, ready to catch you if anything goes awry. By keeping your backups up to date, you're protecting your digital presence from unexpected issues. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to back up and restore your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips on managing your online presence.